Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Wi-Fi. First, locate your device's wireless settings, often found within the main settings menu. Next, ensure your Wi-Fi adapter is turned on, as it might be disabled. Then, scan for available networks in your vicinity. This initial step is crucial for seeing all the networks you can potentially join and preparing for the next stage of connection. Once your device has scanned, a list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear. Carefully identify your specific network name, also known as the SSID. Select this network from the list. Before proceeding, make sure you have the correct network password or security key readily available, as you will need it very soon. After selecting your network, a prompt will appear asking for the security key or password. Carefully input this password, paying close attention to capitalization and any special characters. It's a good idea to double-check your entry for accuracy. Once entered, click the Connect button to establish your device's link to the Wi-Fi network. If you encounter any connection issues, don't worry. A common solution is to restart both your Wi-Fi router and your device. If the problem persists, verify the network password with your internet service provider to ensure it is correct. Also, try moving your device closer to the Wi-Fi router to improve signal strength and connection reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.